Whoa, finish the coat them, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Watch your mom. The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Leverage, 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 the leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say, yo, we are going to something different, you know. Say, we have some wings, some flats, and we're going to cook. I don't know how much this, we can count them and see how much, but I just do some fry wings and put some of them in a ninja and do something. We don't know yet, but we get this amount of wings. You see me? So, I don't know. One count, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, leverage nation, 84 wings, flats, yeah, cook. So, we fry up on things. So, we'll show you a little process and show you where I go and how I do. Me first, I'm going to clean it up on thing and just rinse him off and do the badness and then season him up on thing and see what we can go off from there, you know. So, you know a leverage nation, just check in and see where I go on. Yeah man, leverage nation, just go and chop up them here, you know. And take out the feather them and then wash them up and thing, but so we do it man. So them know all them part upon it, so I just dash them. Although then they coulda, some people that use them they make some bad curry still, you know. What? What's that bone? Them part yeah, sound so far. Just chop them off and clean them up man. Yeah. But yeah man, so that's the vibes man. That's a whole, you know. You know. Yeah, so leverage nation, I don't know, so we are season up this. Put a whole heap of season, make sure it all drop down in there. Not too salty, you know, because them seasoning I done salt, I don't know, so this is a complete seasoning. Put some of this, I need all purpose, can't even put too much, because I already put, you see me? Yeah, so check in and see where I go, man. I just season him up, throwing all them seasoning, I have a little, I really put too much little black pepper and all them thing there. Oi! You see where you go on this, so? Rub it in. Yeah. Make sure we get everything, you know? So yeah, man. One bag of wings. So you know leverage nation. And remember to like up the thing, you know. Remember, you know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's all the vibes. I cook one bag of wings, you see me? See what we can do with it. So you know. Yes, so now leverage nation. There, see his name up. You know, so we now maybe put some flour up on some, but we just fry some of them dry already. Put some oil in it. Turn him on, you know. Turn him on and on. And things so. Yeah, man, yeah. So this. Put some in this too, you know. Working ninja. Start dropping some of them too, you know. You know, so I should put the grease on it, but it's alright. There beam earlier. So yeah, leverage nation. And let's see where you're going. Show them pot when it ready up, you see me? Yeah, so check in and see where you're going, man, you know? You know a leverage. That's for the right thing. Whole heap of wings, you know, something I chop most I frying now this. What I lean so. Hopefully not turn over with me. Right now, leverage nation. Drop in some. And so start going over. No, I see where I go on. I'm sure now. I can see where I go on. Right. But leave me for go set it up straight, you know. Yeah man, so what we're doing, I sort him out and want all of forward. Just fry him dry, you know? Yeah, make this work. Okay. Cook too much. Over there and put me in. See where I go and just check in and see. You see me? See all the put up some minute on it, give 60-minute temperature there. 390 there, no? The way I do, you fry up some wings and put some things on it, man. Yeah, so we're just there. So we are going to chuckle. First about 6 minutes left on this. Fry him up. Whoa. No worry, man. No worry, man. Him I go fry, man. Him I go fry. And that's what you are going, you see me? You know a leverage nation. Yeah, man. Go on building our vibes, you know. Fry up some chicken wing. And yeah. Air fry some. And then maybe probably just, you know, sauce him up or eat them dry, so you never know, because one bag of it, you know, say got some fries, but I don't know. Yeah, what a vibe, man, what a vibe. Yeah. See how them a bad boy a look. Nice. Nice. Look how them look beautiful. Nice. Yeah man, so that's how we can do the rest of our batch. Look where you're going right I say. Nice. Nice. See it there? Yeah man, so them one day the ninja done fling some more night. And then watch them a while them have to finish fry, you see me? You know. So that's, yeah man. Check in what them work out. Yeah man, so just check in and see where I go on, man. I don't know, we still have them in a fry. And we'll do them thing, you see me? Ah. Yeah, leverage nation, so they are gonna take out some of them here. Whoa, nice. So I separate them for know them different now, but I think it don't really matter still. You know? So watch leverageboss TV. When you tune in and watch a mad video too. Yeah, see, I have 11 minutes on this I go on and things. So that's about it, man. We take out them, yeah. Take out them, yeah. And put in some more, you know. Yeah, look. Well fried, well done, I'm cover your pot so well nice and soak, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Check in and see where I go on, man. Yeah, like, what's up this right now? Let's see a thing or a thing I got come down. Wings on top of wings. Let this soak a little more. I'll put in some fresh one go. You know your leverage now. Try to catch a little. Oh, this can't come out here, man. Because you don't want to catch extra color, but all of them basically done still because them wings them on their soak, you know. So when I make extra color more. Oh, you don't want to stop. Them side of fry a little more, catch a little color. We're good to go. Dash. Yes, so leverage nation, you know. We are flinging them on here. And then put in some more in this. And that's about it, you know. So check in and see where you go on, man. That is it. Leverage. Simmer down, don't you hear what I say? Simmer down, don't you hear what I say? Simmer down. Don't let me see what it look like. Ooh. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now put the rest of this. Feed this. You see where this I go out with? Yeah. That's right. But look where I go on already. So what if I go on Friday? Feels like. Oh, too much grease. Well done. So air fryer bad. So it bad. Oh. That is it, leverage nation. So finished up. So just check in. We are finished up. You know? All the right thing, you see me? Yeah. So I just finish up now and fling the rest of wing them in the air fryer. Yeah, while them one do over there so I fry, you know? Yeah, so I just boom bang the rest and finish it off, you know? So that's about it for all I wing them until them one they done fry. You see? Yeah, man. Ooh, smell, yo. You want to smell in here? You know, smell like. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, man. You know I leverage, man. Yeah, the right thing, man. You see? Watch it, man. Oh, this look beautiful, man. Oh, man. Too much wings, man. Too heavy. So we are finish up this. Put them in there. What's it, man? And just 390 again and give him about 26. That is it. One of them, yeah. Yeah, some of them want to turn. Yes. Yeah. So check in, man, and see where you're going. That's it. Go and turn them, you know? Some of them want to over here to want to turn. Just let them go and soak a little more. Yeah, let them go and soak a little more. The man don't turn it. They're not ready. I like when my... Yeah, they're not ready to turn it. So, check in. Yeah, leverage nation. So we have the last I wing them right now. Yeah, take out our pot, you know. Last of them, you know. But get all the patacha. One bag of wings, man. Yeah, so leverage nation, that's about it. Fry off. Finish fry off the wing then. So I can shed a little light on it. See me? Then I have to take out them, yeah. Yeah, leverage nation, so that's all of the get some lighter. Yo, yeah, so that's all of the wing them fry. So check in and see where you're going, you know. So that's it for cook. 80 plus wings. We fry 80 plus wing. Wow. Air fry and fry pan pot. So see it there again. I'm finish take out them on, yeah. Whoa. Or I finish wash that and watch that. Whoa, I finish take out them, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Watch your mom. Watch your mom. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So looking at it, people. You're looking at it right now, watch it. Look at it. Watch it. More waiting time gives a proper presentation, but wow. Watch it, man. Watch it, beautiful. Watch it. Oh, I'm gonna put it over here, so. Watch it, man. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. 80 plus wings in a this, man. We are putting on that ball, no worry. Oh, that you call fry. Air fry. That a leverage. Say leverage in the comment section. You know what thing go. Yeah. I'm out. Until next time, leverage nation. You don't know what thing though. Wow. Tell me how they look. Them. Wait and see where I go on. Alright, until next time. You see it, Leverage Nation. Until next time.